Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today is my only day of filming, so might as well get that piece of junk running and driving, hopefully. We had it kind of running a couple months ago, but it's junk. I don't like it. Yeah, but today we'll see if we can rip it around a little bit. Wouldn't that be fun? But only have a couple hours, or you guys will just hear it run. But let's start wasting no more time and get into it. Yep, camera angle's bad, but shouldn't have an issue with the belt and chain today, but there. Alright, winner of last week's video for the word of the week is Classic Car Revivals. Thank you so much everybody who watched the whole video on that. Better up next time. This week I'll have the word of the video later on this video. You get it right, you get a shout out like Classic Car Revival, and your comment gets, oh man, I forgot to pin his comment. I'm so sorry, Classic Car Revivals. Alright, there's a clue for this Words of the Week video. It involves this tripod, but just for jokes, let's see if it will start. Yep. Gotta make sure the switch up here is on, but now I Alright, it did ran. I'm gonna go see if it has gas. Yeah. More clues. On piece of garbage. I apologize so much about that. But check for gas in here. If it has gas, we try to start it with it. Perfect. Old, nice, nasty gas. But a couple months ago, we swapped the carburetor because it was junk. Of course, we didn't buy a new one. We just stole it off the Craftsman lawnmower. But let's see if it'll run. No. Can we get a round of applause for this junk? Nothing. That sounds like it's not getting much gas, so I guess we will have some kind of video. Alright, let's start taking the carburetor apart. Alright, now I'm always saying, alright, I'll be having a new phone soon. Oh, I'll be having a new phone soon. No, not for a little bit. I have to find a job very soon, but this exhaust bolt was loose, but yeah. Track phones, we look at them, they weren't worth it, so might as well get a better phone. So I'm looking at a Samsung Galaxy S23, I think, but that will be some good quality, and I hope there's still an SD card slot, because everything, all my pictures, videos are on my SD card, and yeah. But let's continue on with our favorite piece of machinery here. Don't you guys just love carburetors? And this is all full of paint. Oh, never mind. I thought. But, yeah. I don't have much time this week because, yeah, it was raining Monday. I was gone Tuesday. Today, Wednesday, only day. But Thursday will be gone. Friday, maybe, but it's not really sure. So, here today. I gotta take off this exhaust bolt so I can get that top of that other bolt for the intake. Yep, 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 yep. Alright, I just want to take a minute to shout out everybody early so you guys can check their channels out. Huge shout out to Classic Car Revivals, Whiskey Dents. They're doing giveaways. Whiskey Dents is done with his giveaway, 66 F600. Guys missed out on that. Oh well. But yeah, check out OK Speed Shop. Article at Outlet Edge. Honest Paint and Speed Shop. I think in a couple days, his mail will be coming in. So be prepared for a mail video, everybody. But whoa, yep, more hints. But yeah, check out Greasy's Garage. Check out 1776 Garage. Check out did I say Honest Paint and Speed Shop? Yeah. Go check out Tree Top Garage. Check out Midnight Customs. Yeah, I think that's everybody. But yeah. There. Go check out Cubics too. Pretty young guy. And yeah. If you guys are wondering what this engine is and what this brand is, all I don't know. All I know, this is a junk. It was made in the USA though, but made in a cheap land. Everything was manufactured in, China though. But yeah, I don't know about the engine, but all I know, this thing never ran day one. We got it from an auction a couple years back. Okay. I think I found the problem. So, guys, come on down there. Thank you very much. This thing, it's like this. And it's getting pinched up. So it's not allowing the fuel to go in. So I think I need to go ahead and find a replacement part for that, which is straight. Or just find a replacement carburetor, but yeah, I'm going to go try to find one of those. And the gas is dripping, dripping, dripping. Thanks. But it's getting gas. Okay, you can stop now. Nope. But I'm going to go try to find one of those pieces and get back to you guys. Alright. I didn't change it, but I adjusted it. So I'm going to go see if we'll start. I hear fuel. Yep. What? Here we go. Hey! Win! Call the win to me. Haha! The thing is garbage! Oh, what a great video. Oh, shit. Oh, the mommy. Speed warning. Going pretty good. I'm in the garden. Paddle. Oh. Bingo. I don't crash. Uh-oh. Money. Well, I gotta fill it up. Yep. Whoa. Just a hair bunny. But just to make sure I don't run out of gas on the long trip. I'm taking this to Florida. Almost empty. So I better fill up. I'll be right back to you guys. Victory! Gardens! Whoa! What? Too early. Will I crash again? Oh. Oh, Templar! Oh, shit! Oh, no! boy, wasn't that cool, what? We got it revived. Rebuilt the carburetor and everything. And rebuilt the whole thing. In a minute, I'll show you my painting work. But, that's my first time I drove anything out in the property this year. I had to limp it way home. I found a new gas cap for it. Don't ask why. I have a new gas cap. Yeah, it definitely didn't went missing. Oh, why would you think about that? But yeah, that was fun. Man, I haven't drove that thing like that ever. So, if you guys enjoyed this video about driving around, hey, I'm sorry if you got motion sickness from that, but hey, gotta live. You only live one life. Might as well just go out there, revive something, restore something, do something outside instead of sitting like Jonah. Whoops. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, check out Classic Car Revivals, Whiskey Dance, OK Speed Shop, Honest Paint Speed Shop, Outlaw Edge, 1776 Garage, Cubics, Treetop Garage, Midnight Customs. Yeah, Greasy's Garage, and everybody else. Oh, yeah, I appreciate everybody for watching the video. Word of the week is revival. Revival is the word of the week. I was going to do crappy phone or junk pod because the tripod fell, but no, we got this revived. That's awesome. So, I hope I'll see you guys in next week's video. Hey, stick around and watch some other of my videos. Just uploaded Christine video walk around of it. Cold startup. Ah, sounded pretty good. And probably at 800 subscribers right now. Thank you guys so much for that. And 1,000 subscribers by October. Or end of the year will be alright. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in next week's video. Bye.